Roberts, and Sherman. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Oldham County, Sherman County, northwestern Potter County, southeastern Dallam County, Moore County, Hartley County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles southwest of Stratford to 4 miles northwest of Hartley to 13 miles north of Adrian, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Dumas, Dalhart, Stratford, Hartley, Cactus, Fritch, Sunray, Channing, Boys Ranch, Four-Way, Conlin, Masterson, and Lake Meredith. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Dallam, Hartley, Moore, Oldham, Potter, and Sherman.